Hello, Adab, Namaste. Do you see this small miniature can in my hand? Guess what is it? It's actually a mobile phone. Don't believe me? Well, you should. Because we are today here at Black Zone Mobiles and we are going to tell you the story of their journey and how the founder, Mr. Kanav Tukral, started a brand right from just 25 lakh rupees, which is today a 110 CR company. And this is not just all, they've got very many interesting products. Let's go meet him.
हेलो मिस्टर कनव टुकराल, वेलकम टू द शो. नमस्ते.
थैंक यू नमस्ते.
तो हम देखना चाहते हैं कि आपके पास क्या क्या वैरायटी ऑफ फोन्स है, बिकॉज दिस कैन थिंग रियली रियली इंटरेस्टेड मी.
कैन की क्वालिटी यही है कि ये पॉकेट फ्रेंडली भी है एंड इट रियली हेल्प्स किड्स एंड सम कस्टमर्स जो बजट फ्रेंडली फोन्स ढूंढ रहे हैं एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ अ कैटेगरी इज कमिंग. इसकी खासियत क्या है, इन दोनों फोन्स की खासियत क्या है? इसकी खासियत ये है कि आपको अपने सोशल मीडिया वाले फोन्स यूज नहीं करने, स्मार्टफोन्स यूज नहीं करने. इट हैज अ गुड बैटरी लाइफ एंड 1 से 2 दिन ये आराम से काम करते हैं. एंड दिस कैन कनेक्ट टू अ ब्लूटूथ एंड योर स्मार्टफोन कॉल्स विल कम ऑन दिस एज अ BT कॉल, सो यू कैन अटेंड हियर.
तो इनको यूज कौन करता है यूजुअली?
यूज किड्स भी करते हैं, आजकल की सारी कैटेगरी यूज करती है. यू यूज टू कैरी अ पावर बैंक विद यू,
राइट,
स्मार्टफोन कनेक्ट करने. बट इट्स लाइक आपका फोन कभी बंद नहीं है. यू आर नेवर अवे फ्रॉम योर गुड वंस एंड योर लॉयल वंस. उनसे पास हो, आप कभी भी कनेक्ट करके बात कर रहे हो.
सो शो अस मोर, व्हाट ऑल कैटेगरीज डू यू हैव?
We have all the categories like folding phones.
Oh, you have a folding phone also?
Yeah, there is a folding phone and
Nice.
we have around 6-7 models in this. Different looks and different categories.
And what's the price range like?
Price is around 1800 for a dealer.
Okay.
And for a customer is around 2200 or 2100.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and there is a touch and type phone we have recently launched. This category has the touch also and the type also, and it's a basically a feature phone Android.
Right.
And there are shortcuts, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. So you can use WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube and all the social media things. And for the elder ones, for the senior phone people, you can use the button category also. Torch is big, everything is there. Camera is there.
Show us more, please.
And you can, recently we are going to launch this kind of a smartphone, which is a budget friendly phone, smartphone category in around 4100 rupees. We are going to launch this smartphone. It will be a 4GB, 64GB segment. And the camera is 5+8, 5GB, 8GB.
Nice.
And inbuilt batteries of 2500 mAh. So this is going to be, I guess, a very good sensation in the telecom sector, because this kind of a smartphone category, very less people, so many less brands have.
True. Especially with the kind of value.
Correct. The value, the size, the compact size, and the price.
True. And I also see something very interesting like a car.
Yeah, this product we are selling from the last 6 years since we have opened this company, Black Zone Mobile, and it's a special phone. This has a category of a flip phone, so many colors are there, and people are very much aware. Kids are liking it.
Right.
There is a raise sound once you are doing the menu things.
Okay.
These buttons work as a volume. So these kind of a category is also there, and some kind of a, people who can't afford the smartphone, so we have made some inbuilt phones.
Very interesting. So I want to go back a little and start with your journey, how you thought of this company, and basically where did you start from?
See, we basically start as a trading company, and we started in 2001 from my father. It was started. I was just helping him around, and I was going through my studies, and basically I was helping him around.
So what were you trading in then?
We were trading the Nokia, Samsung, and the Panasonic feature phones. Of course, the feature phones only.
All right.
And that time the feature phone segment was very high, very good. And after a span of around 5-6 years, we started like some Chinese brands, which were like Lavao, YXTEL, G5. These kind of trading companies we started with as a distribution. And we have distributed this segment in all the all over India, pan based we did. And after some time, some Indian brands developed like Micromax, Lava. So we thought of making a brand. And once in 2016, when Make in India was launched by Shri Narendra Modi, then my father planned a factory, that we can make a factory and we can make phones of our own brand.
Right.
And that time, Black Zone was developed.
Was it a big step to move from simple trading to manufacturing? And how did you prepare for it?
It was not easy actually, and because we used to see the factories in China, that how the people are making the product,
Right.
how the companies are taking this kind of a infrastructure to make it. So what we did, we hired some executives. We hired some engineers from Micromax and Lava, who used to work in their companies in Rudrapur, and we hired them 6 months before we started this factory, to make a setup, that what is a warehouse, what is a plant, and where we can establish a production line, and how it is going to be developed. So my father all planned all, and in about a span of 4 to 6 months, we introduced everything, and we made everything. The production lines were started, and on 5th September 2016, we started this factory as KBR Trading Private Limited, and made the first phone of Black Zone Mobile. So it was a very happy feeling. On the first day, we were able to see 400 to 500 people standing outside our factory to get the jobs. So it was a very nice feeling.
True.
To have people outside your factory to have jobs, and by God's grace, I was able to give around 400-500 people jobs. And if you're not aware, that our factory have around 70% of the workers are females,
Oh, that's interesting.
and those are all Sonipat based,
Mhm.
Haryana based. And since 2016 till 2024, right now, going on from the last 8 years, we are continuously going on, growing well, and producing everyday new models, and giving jobs to the India, and to the Haryana people we have there.
I think that was the whole reason behind Make in India, that we wanted to give more jobs to people who are in India, because they truly deserve that opportunity for employship.
Yeah, so
Right.
we were able to generate jobs. This was our main task, and inside we were very happy to do it, because if you are contributing towards Indian economy and you are doing well in the brand, then this really helps in getting a feeling that we are doing something for our country.
True. So you also spoke about how you were helping your father. What role did your father play in shaping you as an entrepreneur? Because you were
See,
probably,
he-
as a trainee under him when
There
you
are
started.
3 aspects of doing this business. First is procuring goods from the country you are getting
Right.
the resources, which is China and Hong Kong, and then the production unit, and then the sales. Everything is based on sales. Once sales are there, then everything is going fine. So my father sees all the factory of ours. He sees the production, how is the quality going on, how is the security around the factory, how is the
Right.
the environment in the factory. People are motivated, the employees are motivated. I have still have around 40 girls who are working since 2016 first day. And in our factory, they are able to reach out at this level, that from an operator to an engineer, their journey has been with us.
Right.
We try to gain people who are doing well. We are trying to do well with the people who are performing well, and they can grow with us. In case we are growing, they can also grow with us. So my father mostly looks after the factory, the production unit, the quality segment, the security, and of course the staff which we have. And he sees everything about it, and I mostly sees up to the sales. How is the procurement from the company, and how is the collections going on, how is the sales going on, what
Right.
kind of products we have to launch. I have to recently visit China also to see the new products and how it is going well, how it is shipping out well. So it's fine by right now.
So basically, when we say that you are making in India, you're manufacturing in India, how easy or difficult is that? What are the challenges that you face as an entrepreneur?
See, challenges are always there in every business, and in our business also challenges are there. Every year budget comes, every year policies change, every year you have to develop yourself according to the policies government is making. And since then, how we are getting motivated out of it, just because some kind of a policies are coming from the government in smart watch sector or wearable sector or feature phone sector, we are able to generate what is required by the customer.
Right.
So things are going
So,
well.
as an innovative solution, apart from Black Zone Mobiles, you also have 2 more brands.
I have 2 more brands, namely Engage, and one is name is Goli Mobiles.
Right. But why did you start another brand?
It's like if you are working pan India, there are 2-3 people in every area who are doing good. But once you are developing a brand, only one customer is like he wants all the limelight of a brand if he is working well. So once a brand is working well, we also don't want to drop him from doing well. So the another person, if he's asking, then we have developed a second brand or a third brand so that he can also jump into our company and he can also contribute. But those categories are something different. Like if we are not giving 1-year warranty, we are giving a 6-month warranty. And some products like Goli Mobiles, we are not giving any warranty. So it's like a use and throw product, and we are developing it out.
So basically, talking about the products that you create, how many SKUs do you have?
SKUs are around 150 to 180 if you are considering 3 brands. Black Zone Mobiles have most of them around 100 SKUs we have, including smartphones, smartwatch, neckbands, and soon we will be coming in LED TVs.
Okay.
So this kind of a category we will be enhancing every month, and our tendency is, this is a fashion industry, so every month there should be new products.
Right.
Old models should discontinue and new models should continue.
True. And that's, I think, the right way to go about when you want to keep the fancy of the new age consumers.
Exactly. It actually develops an interest in retailer also, in customers also, because they used to see that Black Zone is coming with some new product every month. So they also get excited. Retailers and our dealers are very much excited because if any new product is coming, they are also getting a margin out of it. Profit is there.
And what's the price range of your products?
The price range starts from around 600 of a feature phone product, which is a very basic one. And it goes up to 6,200, 6,500 in smartphone categories like this.
Right. Which is, I think, very affordable, especially for even the poor class.
It is affordable. Sometimes we get a huge competition compared to the other smartphone categories, but we also wanted a brand recognition. So we will be soon launching some products which can really attract the customers, and they will be very much aware that what Black Zone is.
Right. As a strategy, your price range also talks about it, that you focused on tier 3 and tier 4 cities. Why were you doing that instead of focusing on metros where probably people had better spending capacity?
See, this is what I am saying. There is still a gap of brand recognition in our brand. We are trying to do it. We are spreading more, and we don't have that big infrastructure that we are going to develop with every customer and every retailer in this industry. This industry is very vast.
Right.
So to create a name here, you have to do something different. So we are trying to do it from the last 4 months. We are doing well, and soon we will be, maybe after 1 year, maybe I'm talking to you, so people will recognize us and our product will be in limelight.
For sure. So there's also something which we're seeing. Actor Moni Roy is part of your brand endorsement.
Yeah.
So how did that happen, and why did you choose her?
What happened one day, like, I had a shopping with my wife. I went to a market, and there she was going after some decor, bed sheets and, pillows and pillow covers and all. And suddenly she recognized a Akshay Kumar brand. She sees a picture of Akshay Kumar, and she started looking for it. And out of 7 bed sheets she took 3 bed sheets of that brand. So this is what our mindset is. So this is the mindset of each and every human being, that if there is a brand ambassador, then you can go for the product,
Right.
because they don't easily trust a product if they doesn't have a brand ambassador. Moni Roy was introduced by us on January 1st, and to get her on the team was like our motive was to give a brand recognition, as I said.
Right.
People want to know that what Black Zone is. Sometimes there is a mindset of every youngster, or you can say every category customer, that if there is a brand ambassador, then this product is something I have to look out for.
Right.
So we introduced her, and why we introduced Moni Roy is just because she's a pretty actress, and she belongs to Eastern India, and we have a very good market in East India. So people know her very well, and her journey is from from way down to this level, and she is very humble. She is very down to earth. Once we were doing a shoot with her, we come to know she's very calm, and she knows what her work is. And she took her, once she was also very impressed by the forms and shapes of these models. So if people like her is liking this kind of a model, so soon what you are saying, in urban cities also we will be able to recognize our
True.
brand well.
So it brings credibility to your product.
It brings a credibility, and I have seen from the last 4 months, I had a very good zig of sales, good amount of during, despite market is down, but still there is a spike of 25% to 30% sales have jumped. So of course there is a valuable contribution if how she has come and how she is developed. So of course there is a difference.
So what next is in store for Black Zone Mobiles?
As I said, soon we will be launching some budget-friendly phones, pocket-friendly phones. Like I said, there is a smartphone coming. We also are soon going to launch a 3-inch smartphone. Recently, I had some dealer meets in UP and Punjab and different cities, and there we come to know there is a segment of smartphones which is like pocket-friendly and eco-friendly. These kind of a smartphones we soon will be launching, and it can create an impact. There is a vast market of economical smartphones, and we will be soon launching a smart LED TV of 32-inch and 24-inch will be economical. And despite having challenges in this market, and despite having so much competition, we will be able to handle these kind of things. Our category will be more on 4G.
Okay.
We will be more focusing on 4G feature phones, because sooner or later 2G will finish. So we will be focusing on smartphones like 4G feature phones, touch and type,
Right.
small smartphones, and of course the basic category smartphones which are coming with each and every brand. We will be sooner or later will be launching more and more models every month.
Also, if there are distributors watching us, how can they come on board and be a part of Black Zone family?
They can go to our website. They can check out the email as info@blackzone.in. They can contact us, and our team will contact them.
Wonderful. So yours is a D2C brand. Where all do we see it? Where all we can buy these phones?
You can buy it on our website www.blackzone.in, and even at marketplaces like Amazon and Flipkart also you will be able to see our products. But our focus will be more on, offline also. Offline also, we have a very good market.
So how many stores are you available at?
I guess pan India, if you're talking, it is more than 35,000
Wow.
stores we are already available. We have a span of 782 service centers with us. It is easily visible on our website. How if customers are looking for a service center, they can easily go to our website and can see what nearby service center is. A toll-free number is there. Everything is there. We are able to provide each and every services, as now it has been 8 years we are doing serving well our customers. So this time it is only we are going ahead and at a very slow pace. We are not jumping it up.
So you started with an investment of 25 lakh rupees. Where are we placed now in terms of turnover?
Right now my turnover is around 100 and 110 CR. So which means like every month I'm able to generate a 10-12 crore business.
Right.
And feature phone sales and smartphone sales, you talk about smartwatches, we are doing more than what this industry is required.
Right.
And it's so far it's very good going.
The growth is amazing, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this conversation.
So today we learned how, if you have the right zeal, if you go out and experiment, and if you are actually striving, then entrepreneurship is not actually very difficult. All you have to do is just be at it, just be consistent. And the story of Mr. Kanav Thakral is definitely testimony to that. We will be bringing out many more interesting stories. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.